Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series and today we are going to discuss couple of custom visuals, and those custom visual are uh, Chord visual and Sankey visual. So they are kind of a distribution visual where one value goes into another. So let's start with the Chord visual and see what does it mean. So let's take two stuff and we are going to take two smaller stuff, which one of the stuff which we are going to take is category, and second stuff we are going to take is payment method. So let's see, this is method or id, this is method, and then we are going to take the sales value, and once we take the sales value you'll be able to understand what happening out here. So let's add this and then let's see. Okay, so a bit difficult to understand. Let's try to understand what this visual is doing. So this is basically computer hardware, cameras, mobile phones, then we have footwear, and then we watches, and then so cash on delivery. And this cash on delivery, from here cash on delivery, credit card EMI, debit card, gift coupons, and net banking, these are our payment methods. So if I click here, you'll be able to understand better that computer hardware, from where it is coming. So most of them is coming debit card. So debit card is dominating when it comes to computer hardware. What happens if I click on cameras? So what is the biggest payment method? Almost everything seems similar, like this credit card and cash on delivery seems a bit bigger, but almost everything, it's again, in case of mobile phone we also see pretty much similar kind of stuff, almost same. Okay, now once we come cash on delivery, where cash on delivery is big, which is big in computer hardware. Now where credit card is big, again computer hardware, that's dominating, so there it is pretty big. So that's pretty obvious that which occupy the bigger chunk, it's going to have bigger value. So now this is how you can see the distribution. There are few places you would like to know, like if this value is pretty big here, where what how much big it's there. So this kind of a relationship basically happening, like between the computer hardware and gift coupons, in terms of sales. What is the relationship they two hold, the which percentage of data goes from one place to another place. Now similarly on this line, like this one, you have the Chord visual, you have the Sankey visual also. Now that was circular and now this is horizontal. Again in this one also, again same stuff is happening. We actually are able to see, like we know now debit card is a dominating factor in terms of computer hardware. So if we look at computer hardware, this from there it's going, and what is the dominating factor. And cameras, we are there, we also seen it's almost very equal, we can't differentiate. Same thing is true with the mobile phones also. And then if you click on this side, debit card, we definitely know that because everything pretty high in computer hardware, so we are going to have highest value coming from computer hardware. So pretty good chart when you want to look at distribution. They have their own uses when you require these particular kind of scenarios. Those are the visuals which are you're going to actually get these kind of values, which are distributed values from here only. So specific uses, but pretty good and useful charts. So go ahead and explore these, what and where you can utilize those. Do let us know if you want to see some other visual, we want to cover that in another video. Let us know, comment on that. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification for our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.